To excel in your class 6, 7, 8 studies and achieve top marks, it's important to have a well-structured timetable that balances your academic tasks and allows for effective study and revision. Here is a perfect study timetable that you can follow to score highest marks in your exam. So let's look at the sample of the study timetable. Morning routine: 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Wake up, engage in light physical exercise or meditation to energize yourself for the day. Get fresh, have a healthy breakfast, and get ready for your school. 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. School hours. Attend your regular classes and actively participate in classroom activities. Take notes during lectures and clarify any doubts with your teachers. 2:45 p.m. to 4 p.m. When you reach home, get fresh, have lunch or snacks, and relax or take a power nap for 20 minutes. 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Study session number 1. Organize your school materials and review the topics covered during the day. Spend dedicated time on each topics. Understand the concepts and practice examples. 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Take a long break to relax, have a snack, and engage in some physical activities. Listen to your favorite songs and avoid spending too much time on electronic devices during this break. 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. Practice and study maths or science with full concentration. 7:45 p.m. to 8 p.m. A mini study break to relax. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. At this timing, do your homework, projects, complete your notes, or practice grammar. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Have dinner and spend quality time with your family. Engage in a hobby, do a meditation, and pack your school bag. 10 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. Wind down for the day and prepare for bed. Ensure you get sufficient sleep to rest and recharge for the next day. So that's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this timetable helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing study tips and study hacks. See you in my next video. Bye.